So in this short, we're going to do some farm chores. Come on, let's go. Oh, we got 3 there. And we got 1 there. Well, we got 10 eggs today. So I've had some people ask how we got started raising chickens. If you'd like to see a video like that, type chicken in the comments. And while you're there, smash that like button. It really helps me out. Come on, Ellie. And the chickens get on the roost according to their pecking order. And we're all done for the night. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.